For anyone launching a product on Amazon, the first few weeks of advertising are usually the most stressful. But in my experience, spending without a clear plan is the easiest way to hurt your profitability. This video is specifically for Amazon sellers who want to structure their ad spend safely. Launching Amazon ads without a calculator is the fastest way to burn cash. Experience shows that without a plan, bids become guesses. And guessing usually leads to losses. Professional sellers do not guess. They treat PPC like a math equation. This approach solves the biggest problem in advertising, and that is overspending. I develop a method and call it reverse engineering the bid. Imagine the selling price of a product. Let's use wireless earbuds for $50. To find a safe bid, costs must be subtracted first. So subtract the Amazon fees, subtract the product costs, and subtract the target profit. Whatever is left is called the ad allowance. This is the absolute maximum amount available to buy a customer. But as you know, a click is not a customer, so the tool takes that allowance and multiplies it by the conversion rate. Don't worry about the math, I will show you the tool in a few moments and everything will be understandable. So after the math, the result is the max CPC. This number is the red line. If the math says the limit is $1.24, but the bid is set to $2, money is being lost on every single click. I'm a lazy person and I don't want to calculate this manually each time, because it will take me ages to apply this to 100 products, for example. So instead I took my time to save my time and I created Amazon PPC Launch Sequencer that you can see over here on my screen. This tool does this automatically for me and calculates the red line instantly. So it prevents the account from bleeding money before the launch even starts. You can check out the tool on my website, the link is in the description, and while you are there, you can also check out the freebie that I rotate my free tool every week, so you can get a feeling how my tools work and how can you use it. Let me quickly show you how I save myself lots of money and lots of time with this tool. As you can see, on the left side is the calculation engine and it requires specific data to work. First, it asks for unit economics. This includes the selling price, the landed cost of goods and Amazon fees. The system needs these numbers to calculate how much money is actually left on the table. And next is it asks for the target profit. This is the profit margin that must be protected after ads are paid for. And then it asks for estimated conversion rate here. This is critical because it tells the system how many clicks it usually takes to get a sale. And finally, it asks for launch constraints here. This defines the total budget and the daily cap. And by combining the costs, the profit goal and the conversion rate, the tool reverse engineers the exact maximum bid allowed. So let me show you how it works. Just go down and click Generate PPC Launch Sequencer Prompt. After it's done, go up and you can see on the right side the prompt output. So this is all the information that we put from the left side, and the tool automatically fill all this data, and all you need to do now is to click this copy prompt. You can use ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok or any other AI. I will use the ChatGPT and just hit run. And here is the analysis of the output that AI creates. It builds a 4-week hybrid plan. This structure is designed to minimize risks. So let's check the week 1. The strategy here is discovery. It sets up an auto campaign to find keywords, but it sets the bid below the max CPC. So this prioritizes validation over volume. Then we move to the week 2, and this is a harvest phase. The plan identifies keywords that actually generate sales, and it moves them into a manual exact campaign. So this shifts the budget away from testing and toward winning. Week 3 is the shield, and this phase is about protection, not expansion. So the system looks for keywords that are wasting budget. If a keyword has clicks but no sales, the plan says to cut it. Also introduces stop loss rules. And the logic is simple: if the cost of a keyword exceeds the profit margin, bid down immediately. It removes emotion from the decision, and if a keyword is bleeding money, the math dictates it must be paused. So this prevents a profitable launch from turning into a loss. And finally, week 4 is the decision, and this is where the system asks for a simple question: is the product actually scalable? If the conversion rate is stable and profitable, the plan says to increase the budget, but only on the winning keywords. However, if efficiency drops, or if spending goes up but orders do not, or if spending goes up but orders do not, the system triggers a rollback. It directs the account to pause expansion and fix the listing first. So this prevents the common mistake of scaling momentum. So we don't throw good money at a bad product. As you can see, this system turns a chaotic launch into a disciplined process. It replaces gambling with calculation. So find your red line and launch with a plan, not a guess. But remember that ads cannot run without knowing which keywords to target. Finding the right targets requires a different tool called the Keyword Ranking Ladder Master. That process is explained right here in this video. I hope it will be really helpful for you. And as always, I'm not that good at outros, so I will wish you a good luck selling on Amazon. And if you have any questions, leave the comment below.